Hey there! We will discuss things to consider when creating a digital advertising campaign. The digital age has changed the way businesses run. As a result, a digital campaign is an essential element of a small business marketing effort. Another definition of digital campaign. A digital campaign is a planned, structured, and executed activity that aims to maximize outreach and generate profitable customer engagement through content marketing, advertising campaigns, or social media posts. There are many digital components to consider when planning a digital campaign. Here is a digital campaign checklist you can follow to help you prepare for your digital campaign. This is not an exhaustive list, but it will give you some guidance, and this is assuming that you already know who your target audience is. Number 1. Objectives. Number 2. Budget. Number 3. Set your KPI. Number 4. Strategy. Number 5. Choose the platform that best suits your campaign. Number 6. Decide on the ad format. Number 7. CRM. Customer Relationship Management. Number 8. Tracking tools. Number 9. Plan for retargeting. Number 10. Campaign plan. Let's get right to it. Number 1. Objectives. What do you want to achieve with the ads? What do you want to achieve? And when do you want to achieve it? It can be sales, registrations, or lead generation. This needs to be clear and align with your business objectives. Number 2. Budget. Decide your budget. What is your digital marketing budget? How much money can you afford to invest in digital campaigns, per month or per campaign? Remember to factor in the cost of retargeting. Your budget will also determine the choice of platform. Number 3. Set your KPI. As you have set your budget is a significant influencing factor here because the amount of money you are willing to spend goes a long way in determining your results and the choice of platform. The next thing you want to do is set your key performance indicators, KPIs. Define what measurable outcomes you want your digital campaign to achieve and track these. Number 4. Strategy. What tactics will you use to deliver your digital ad? Here you need to decide what strategy to use for digital campaigns such as CPC, cost per click, CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions, or even a combination of both. Number 5. Choose the platform that best suits your campaign. What will be the most effective medium to help you achieve your goals? Are you using Facebook, Google Ads, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, or TikTok? It is important to determine what platform is most appropriate for your goals. Most people will argue that Facebook, LinkedIn, and emails are the best ways to reach their audience, but only you can determine which platform works best for you. When thinking about deciding on the platform most suited to your campaign, there are a few key things you should consider. The demographics of your target market, the platform they are likely to use, the message you want to convey, and your ad budget. Number 6. Decide on the ad format. Decide on the ad format, image, carousels, video, or forms. Typically, the platform you decide to go with will greatly influence the ad format as you cannot create an ad in a format that the platform of your choice does not support or if you choose to follow the platform's best practices. For example, a Facebook ad will be in the form of a photo or video, while a Google AdWords ad might be in text or banner form. All ads should have a title. It can be helpful to include a secondary header in order to increase the scannability of the ad, but it is not required for all ads. The most important part of an ad is the body text or ad copy. This should answer some or all of these questions: what, when, who, where, why, and how much. There are different types of ad formats. Here is a sample of some common ones: banner, pop-up, video, interstitial, search, etc. Ensure that the format you choose for your campaign is appropriate for its goals. Number 7. CRM. You will need to have a CRM to handle a few things. How you handle the leads and what you do with it all come from your objectives and the strategy. Manage the incoming leads. To put the leads into lists/segments. To set up automation. To send out emails. Assign a lead score. Number 8. Tracking and analytic tools. You will need some tools to track what is going and provide insight into what works. Below is a list of some metrics you would want to track. A. Clicks. B. Conversions. C. Forms submitted. D. Phone calls. E. Meetings scheduled. F. Website visits. You should track metrics that align with your business objectives and campaign goals. Number 9. Plan for retargeting. An average consumer needs to be exposed to a product 7-9 times before they make a purchase. Hence the reason for retargeting. Your plan for retargeting should be done while planning your ad campaign. You want to make sure you have your website tags ready and set up. A. Google tags. B. LinkedIn Insight tag. C. Facebook pixel. D. CRM tracking code. E. Pinterest tags. Digital ads can be created directly within some CRM. Some give you the ability to track and monitor your ads, so they generate a tracking code that can be placed on the foot of your landing page or any page you want insights from. Number 10. Campaign Planner. You need to have a tool that helps you plan your ad campaign ads from inception and even after the ad goes live. This will help you stay organized while planning your campaign, review plans, and make changes where necessary. Some CRM software have campaign planners that you can use or otherwise use a project management tool like ClickUp, Asana, etc.